Hello, this is Matthew Mead, and this video will give you an overview of some of the main new user features available in AXIS Camera Station Pro 6.9. As always, please check the release notes for an overview of all of the changes made in this release. The new AXIS D6210 Air Quality sensor can now be integrated. This is our first environmental sensor and is designed to be used with another AXIS device using our portcast technology. A standalone version will be released later this year. The AXIS D6210 can monitor indoor air quality, humidity, temperature and air pollutants, as well as the detection of vaping and smoking. Two dashboards are available. In the first, it is easy to observe the latest sensor data and the maximum values for the current day and either a specific time period, as well as any vaping or smoking detections. At the bottom of the dashboard, the average values for air pollutants and the overall air quality index can be observed. The second dashboard shows the details of the various sensors, and the data can also easily be imported into a spreadsheet program such as Microsoft Excel. Finally, the sensor data can be used to trigger an event when a defined threshold is breached. This could be the detection of a rise in temperature, CO2, or even the detection of smoking or vaping. If this is of interest, we have a video taking a deeper look at the functionality and another video showing how to enable the data dashboards. The links are included in the description of this video. Another new product that has been integrated is the new AXIS i8307VE intercom. This robust, vandal-resistant intercom combines 4K video, clear two-way audio communication, and a customizable touchscreen display. The intercom can be used as an IP reader within the AXIS control element of AXIS Camera Station Pro. This flexibility reduces both the hardware and cabling when installing entrance solutions. Finally, a feature that was introduced in the last release is the control of AXIS control doors from the mobile app. In the last release, this feature was limited to administrators only, and now this has been extended to operators. An operator can now grant access, unlock and lock doors, as well as put doors into lockdown, all remotely via the mobile app. I hope you found this video of interest. Thank you for watching.